Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the Faraday's law of electrolysis. The Faraday law of electrolysis was given by Sir Faraday. So before learning about Faraday's law of electrolysis, we should know about what is electrolysis. A process in which a chemical change is brought by the passage of current through a solution is called electrolysis. It means a process in which a chemical change brought by a current. So it is electrolysis apparatus. The apparatus in which electrolysis is carried out is known as electrolytic cells. So these are electrolytic cells. So now let us learn about first law of electrolysis, which was given by Sir Faraday. The amount of a substance deposited is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed through the electrolytic solution or its melt. So M is directly proportional to Q. Q is charge and M is mass. So it means here the total mass deposited is directly proportional to the electricity flow, where M is the amount of the substance deposited or dissolved. So now Q is the amount of electricity and we know that Q equal IT, therefore M is directly proportional to IT, or you can say M equal ZIT, where Z is called electrochemical equivalent of the substance. Z is defined as the amount of the substance deposited or dissolved by passing 1 coulomb of electricity through the electrolyte, melt or solution. So that was the first law of Faraday, and now the second law of Faraday's electrolysis. When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, then the masses of the substance liberated at the electrode are in the ratio of their chemical equivalent mass. So it means M is directly proportional to E. So it means E equal molar mass upon valence. Valence comes by displacing the sign of proportionality. So it means M1 ratio M2 ratio M3 equal E1 ratio E2 ratio E3 so on. So we can write in place of M1 Z1Q ratio Z, Z2Q ratio Z3Q equal E1 ratio E2 ratio E3 ratio so on. It comes from the first law, and by as the charge is same in all the electrolytes, so Z by neglecting Q, Z1 ratio, Z2 ratio, Z3 ratio and so on is equal to E1 ratio, E2, E3 ratio and so on. Now the derivation. A suppose a monovalent ion requires electron for discharge, a divalent ion requires 2 electrons for discharge and so on. Thus if X electrons flow, so X upon V atoms are discharged. So mass discharge M is equal to X capital M upon V Na. Here Na is equal to the Avogadro number, which is equal to Q M upon E NaV. Here Q is equal to Xe. So in place of X we write down here Q upon E. So at last we get small m, it means mass discharge equal Qm upon Vf. F is Faraday's constant, which comes in place of these two, E into Na. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.